Alright, this is my recording of the current tornado watch. Georgia counties included are Atkinson, Bacon, Baker, Baldwin, Ben Hill, Berry and Bibb, Bleckley, Brooks, Calhoun, Clay, Clinch, Coffee, Colquitt, Cook, Crawford, Crisp, Decatur, Dodge, Dooley, Dougherty, Early, Eccles, Emmanuel, Glasscock, Grady, Hancock, Houston, Irwin, Jeff Davis, Jefferson, Johnson, Jones, Lanier, Lawrence, Lee, Lowndes, Macon, Miller, Mitchell, Montgomery, Peach, Pulaski, Quitman, Randolph, Shealy, Seminole, Sumter, Taylor, Telfair, Terrell, Thomas, Tiff, Toombs, Trulton. What is that? Trutland. Turner, Twiggs, Ware, Warren, Washington, Webster, Wheeler, Wilcox, Wilkinson, and Worth.